For element 3, since it's a bit complicated, let me show you the final result. Control F5, run it. For this combo box, it triggers the click event combo box function that in element 3 shows the corresponding output based on language selection. The output text can be found above that is already defined under variables. The pattern is used when splitting English, where C pattern is used for Chinese contents. Here you see element 3, but it is a label. So we need to change it to an entry field. Close it first. Comment out the original element 3, then type this line of code to turn element 3 to an entry field. Its master is root. The placeholder text is the display text. When you run the program, you'll see that element 3 shows insert your pattern text. But our combo box doesn't do anything, so we need these 2 lines of code here. First, we delete the element 3's content, starting from the first character all the way to the end. Then insert the result of length map to the end. Let me explain the length map. When you take a look at this, you'll notice it is a dictionary. You see English is inside a single quote, and there is traditional Chinese. They correspond to the 2 choices in element select length. Whatever inside a single quote on the left is the key in a dictionary. It's just a label for item search. Here I just use the language name as the label. It can be a number or whatever. On the right hand side, there's a corresponding value. Let's say if we pick English, we'll get the pattern that is under variables. When traditional Chinese is selected, it will return C pattern. Close it, Ctrl S, save, Ctrl F5, run it again. Click English and it will show this. Let me show you. Here, pattern that corresponds to choice English. When we select traditional Chinese, whatever inside C pattern will show up. All these are controlled in this line of code. In the dictionary length map, the keys are English or traditional Chinese. These are the choices of the callback function, which is what you pick in the combo box. That's pretty much it for element 3. Let's take a break.